In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete contacts from Gmail. Managing your contacts list efficiently is essential for maintaining both personal and professional communication channels. Sometimes decluttering this list is key to staying organized and focused. So, let's walk through the simple process of deleting those unnecessary contacts from your Gmail account. First, you'll want to open your Gmail account on your preferred web browser and log in if you haven't done so already. Once you're in your Gmail inbox, direct your attention to the right side of the screen. Here, you'll notice a vertical panel adorned with various icons representing different Google services like Calendar, Keep, and Tasks. Amidst these icons, you'll also find the one labeled Contacts. Go ahead and click on that. This action will open a new tab dedicated solely to your contact list, where all the entries you've saved over time are stored. Now, take a moment to scroll through the list of contacts and locate the one you wish to remove. If you have a lengthy list, using the search bar at the top can expedite this process by allowing you to type in specific names or details. Once you've pinpointed the contact ready for deletion, click on the contact's name to open their detailed information page. Here, you'll be presented with a compilation of options and possible actions to take for that particular contact. What you're looking for is located at the top of the screen. Yes, that familiar trash icon. By clicking this trash icon, you initiate the deletion process. A prompt might appear to confirm the action, ensuring that you don't accidentally remove someone vital. Confirm your choice, and just like that, the contact is removed from your list. You'll find it to be a clean slate, allowing you to maintain a streamlined and manageable list of individuals you truly want to stay connected with. As you navigate through your contact list, feel free to repeat this process for any other unnecessary contacts. Remember, keeping a tidy contact list not only enhances efficiency, but also assists with better archiving, making future searches and communications much smoother. And just like that, you're now equipped with the knowledge to efficiently declutter your Gmail contacts, allowing more space and order for the people who matter most in your digital communications. Thank you for tuning in, and I hope this guide proves helpful in organizing your email experience.